Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And in today's video, I have for you something very different. Like I usually don't do hair say related products ka review that very often, but this required my special attention because it is this. This is L'Oreal Scalp Advanced shampoo. This shampoo ki bottle costs 900 rupees. This is matching with me. This is my aesthetic today. Yeah, we are matching, and I have a review for this, right? So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go. By the way, if you feel like you want to try this shampoo, I will link everything in the description box for you to check out. So yeah, how do I start this video? Now, guys, giving you a little bit of a story on how my hair is. My hair is extremely oily. This scalp portion today. मैंने अपने बाल कल धोए थे and you can't tell it because I have applied tons of dry shampoo, but my hair धोने से बिल्कुल अगले दिन में ही इतने oily हो जाते हैं ना. I can't explain it to you how much I hate my hair on the days I don't wash them, which is literally every other day. मुझे मेरे बाल बहुत धोने पड़ते हैं, like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. ये 4 दिन मेरे बाल धोते ही धोते हैं. There are only 3 days in the week जब मैं बाल नहीं धोती and I have to use a dry shampoo because my hair is so oily it just can't on its own. One day scrolling through Instagram, I actually found somebody. I can't remember who it was exactly. It was some salon person, like somebody who runs a salon or something like that, and that person actually really recommended trying a more professional advanced shampoos rather than your normal your Tresemme, Pantene and all of that. He suggested to go with something that is used more in salons. So he really recommended this particular shampoo for people who have oily scalp. He said कि आप इसको use करोगे ना तो आपको अपने बाल हर एक दिन के बाद धोने नहीं पड़ेंगे, and that is why I bought this. So let me read out for you, okay? So it says Scalp Advanced AHA 3% Shampoo and Professional, ठीक है? Dermo Purifiant, ठीक है? Siri Expert, Anti-Grass Oiliness. I don't know what is anti-grass. I think it means anti-grease, anti-oiliness and all of that. And this costs 895 rupees. Like I exaggerated with 900 because 5 rupees kam the. So that man promised me non-oily hair for 2-3 days at least. But let's be honest. The very first day when I applied it, I really felt कि oh my god, कुछ तो हुआ है. And there was literally 19-20 का फर्क only. The next day जब मेरे बाल धुल चुके थे, then I applied it again in the hopes कि no, it will work miracles for me. तो मैंने इससे like एक wash में, that one wash उसमें मैंने 2 बार धोए कि okay, let's just clear all the dirtiness because this is not like your normal shampoo. It takes a little more quantity to lather up. Like वो झाग बनाने के लिए इसमें ज़्यादा quantity लगती है, and I took a lot and I really wanted this to work. It did work. I applied it many times, and although I use it every other day, the reason why I use it every other day is because मेरे पास और कोई चारा नहीं है, 900 रुपये लगाए हैं तो यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. But does it do anything? No. It doesn't do anything at all. Like मैं ये भी नहीं कह सकती कि मेरे बाल इतने स्मूथ लगते हैं, इतने अच्छे लगते हैं इसको लगाने के बाद. No, it does nothing at all. Like इसको लगाने से ना, if I am spending 900 rupees on a shampoo, ठीक है, अगर मैं अपनी 200 रुपये की ट्रेसेमे की शैम्पू की बॉटल को डिच करके एक 900 रुपये के शैम्पू पे जा रही हूँ, आई वुड वॉन्ट दैट 900 रुपये का शैम्पू टू पे माई बिल्स. ओके, आई वॉन्ट दिस शैम्पू टू वेक मी अप इन द मॉर्निंग एंड वॉश माई हेयर on its own without even me bothering. Like मैंने 900 रुपये लगाए इसके ऊपर, I want it to do everything for me, but it's doing nothing. Like this AHA 3%, what is it doing? I don't know. Like what is it doing? I have zero clue. I can't explain it to you how much I regret spending my 900 rupees on this because अगर यही रिजल्ट चाहिए थे तो मैं वाटिका उठा लाती यार. मैं इसको क्यों लेके आई? Like L'Oreal, what did you do? See, here's the thing, okay? I have used a lot of products from L'Oreal in the hair range. I'm not talking about makeup, I'm talking about the hair thing. I have used many shampoos from L'Oreal. जब शुरू में आते थे है ना, वो टोटल रिपेयर का एक ऐश्वर्या वाला आता था, एक कटरीना वाला आता था, एक सोनम वाला आता था. I used all of those shampoos and let me tell you, they were literally the shittiest shampoos ever. ठीक है, मैं so much so that I just don't buy L'Oreal के shampoos at all. Like last time when I bought a L'Oreal ka shampoo, I was in school. That was 15 years back. And now I tried this one, just that is literally 10 times more expensive. And even this is the same. Like, I don't know what is, I don't know, like, kya meri problem hai? I'm pretty sure it is not me. I don't know. Listen, I don't know. But this did not work for me. And yeah, I did everything I could just to make it work, but it did not. Like, कोई special तरीका होता है क्या apply करने का? Having said that, I remember L'Oreal का एक clay वाला भी आता था, you know, for the fresh hair for more than 72 hours or something. Yeah, even that did not work for me. Yeah, guys, this was lackluster. I am so sad about this not working for me. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है I just wasted my money so much. Like, मुझे लग क्यों रहा है? Actually, I really wasted my money on this one, and yeah, I would rather go with my Matrix or something. Like, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने Matrix के shampoo try किए हैं. I still am on my dress में, but yeah, I'm going to try it. Okay, so yeah, this is it for today's video, you guys. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.